My name is Jim Brito. I'm the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Service. I'm here with Jesse. He's going to say a few things about my company.
Hi, my name is Jesse Kearns. I work with Rational Games. We've been using Boston Quality Cleaning Services for 5 years now. We couldn't be happier with their service. It's affordable. They're extremely flexible. We have very flexible work hours here. We really appreciate the lengths they go through to make sure that our offices are clean and in good shape at all hours of the day for whenever anybody decides they want to work. We hardly even notice them come in. They're quiet, they're punctual, they're diligent, and there's been a number of instances where we've needed things that were outside the ordinary. Within a day, we've been able to turn around extra cleanings, deeper cleanings, specific things that you wouldn't typically expect a cleaning service to be able to execute, and they execute very well.
All right, Jesse. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.